Florida won their early season tournament 3 years ago. They also won the Charleston Classic.
Anybody who would argue that, to be honest with you, but Jay and I both agree there appears to be some room for movement.
Klavžar arcs it up the ladder.
Something he wants to do. Klavžar, deep three.
Post to post, Klavžar.
What a pass.
Laser bounce and a two-hand.
Justin Timberlake was courtside. Priscilla Presley was courtside. Klavžar throw.
Klavžar trying to get in the rhythm. You bet. On cue.
On cue. Runs with a high motor. Again, he'll have to be productive.
Oh, that three.
Down low, Alexis. Alexis bottled up into the corner. Three on the way, and it's drilled.
Enough shots to bring Urban into the rotation.
Well, that's what he does right there.
He's not
capable of guys that can make passes. Wow.
Nice pass.
It gets in there. The finish by Handlock tip. Really hard to trap Walter Clayton Jr. So good with the ball.
And a three will go.
Hey, but then we were a 2 seed. We won the SEC, and then we were a 2 seed in the tournament.
Just look at how patient Urban Klavžar working his way.
Rips down another rebound. Klavžar. Hauk left alone. Hauk
Cannot go to his right. He's much better to his right.
Klavžar, you talked about
There's that disruptive guy again.
Gets rewarded.
Conference, they're both pretty good this season.
So look out, guys.
Three. Klavžar open and hits the three.
It will be the first in-state 1 versus 2 matchup since John Calipari and Bruce Pearl matched.
Mitchell, still an assistant coach on the LSU staff. That's a nice play to
Return to sender. And nice drive that time. Backups remain on the floor for Florida. The Gators are going to improve to 6-0 and another.
That Todd Golden has done not only at Florida, but when he was at San Francisco as well.
3 years as an assistant there under Kyle Smith, and then 3 years as the head coach, Urban Klavžar.